working with either piece of fabric, take a cotton batting square and pin it to the wrong side of the fabric piece. Repeat this pinning process with the second piece of fabric and the second piece of batting. Set your machine to standard settings and use matching or contrasting threads. Sew diagonally from one corner of the fabric piece to the opposite corner, backstitching at the beginning and end. It's important that you sew with the fabric piece against the machine, as the cotton batting will get caught in the feed dogs. Stitch again on the same piece of fabric with the remaining two corners. Repeat the diagonal stitching on the second piece of fabric, remembering to sew with the fabric along the bottom of the sewing machine so as not to catch the cotton batting, and to backstitch at the beginning and end of each line of stitches. If you find that you're having a hard time sewing diagonally from one corner to the other, remember that you can use a ruler to draw a line that will be straight and that you can follow while you're sewing. This line should be drawn on the cotton batting side of each fabric section.